In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Lazada seller account in 2025, step by step. First, visit Lazada Seller Center. Head to the official Lazada Seller Center website for your country, for example, sellercenter.lazada.ph if you're in the Philippines. Step 2. Sign up. Click Sign Up, then enter your valid email or phone number and create a strong password. Step 3. Verify your account. Input the verification code sent to your email or phone to activate your account. Step 4. Provide business information. Fill out your personal or business details completely. Upload the required documents such as a government-issued ID for individuals or business registration papers for companies. Step 5. Set up your store. Pick a unique store name and upload your store logo to help build your brand. Step 6. Add payment details. Enter your bank account information so you can receive your payments safely and on time. Step 7. Complete Lazada University training. Finish the free online training course to learn how to operate your store effectively and become certified. And finally, Step 8. Start listing products. Begin adding your products, including clear descriptions, good photos, and prices. Optimize your listings to draw in more buyers. Important notes: registration is free, but Lazada charges a commission on every sale. Double-check all documents to prevent delays or account suspension. Follow Lazada's policies to keep your seller account in good standing. And that would be all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.